Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys date and time setting in a Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you change your phone date in your Realme phone. Friends, you want to change guys your date, so guys you can change. And guys now let's see how to change date in a Realme phone. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys we will have to come in our guys phone setting to change our date. Then guys let's see system setting guys, tap here, and guys you can see date and time setting, tap here, and guys you can see guys your date setting is not working, so it's off guys. Set automatic time, friends, tap here and guys click on date. So as you can change from here guys, you can see the date list, month list and year list. So if you want to change into guys 5 September and 3 and 2 September, for example we're going on 3 October, and guys you can see 2000, so we will not change like that. And guys now you can see date has changed or not, so we will change it. Friends, now you can see Monday 3 October. Here guys phone date has changed. So like that guys you can change, and guys you can use guys your phone date setting in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching us. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.